Hey, what's going on, YT? It is your girl, Leah Ray, and you are tuned into The Leah Ray Show. When I put this next pair on, I just couldn't even explain, like, how I felt. They were so dope and so, like, these were the glasses that I scroll through Instagram and see people wearing, and I'd be like, dang, I wish I had a pair of those. Stylish gold cat eye. Y'all, the detail. Check out the bling on the bottom of the rim. And this is my first time ever having a pair of circle frames. But these cat eyes, like, this is real cat eyes. This is just giving me just glam. Just, I'm here today. Like, look at me right now. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Just, they're so shiny and everything. Like, just look at the glasses with the gold jewelry. Oh, it just pairs so well. And if you're the type of person that likes glitz and glam and bling and rhinestones and all that kind of stuff, y'all, you gotta get you a pair of these glasses.